Hey there, Uncle Myers team. Quick question. Your listing is already ranking well in ads, but are you fully turning that into organic ranking? My name is Gabe from My Amazon Guy, and I was reviewing your listing for this Easter Busket stuffer of caramel popcorn. And what stood out right away is a big gap between your paid and organic performance. Now, right now, your listing is doing about $1,908 and 74 units sold in a 30-day revenue with 3.9 star rating. So the product has demand, but conversion could still improve. Okay, let's talk about your keyword distribution here because this is where traffic usually happens. Now, you do have 137 organic keywords with 395 paid keywords. And here in my Amazon guy, we usually aim for what we call 1:2 golden keyword ratio, which means for every one paid keyword, we want about two organic keywords supporting it. Right now, your listing is heavily reliant on paid keywords, which means ads are doing most of the work. Now, there's also a strike zone opportunity here because where we can rank down higher rankings, right? So what really caught our attention here is this keyword here, caramel popcorn. Although it is being ranked on two on sponsored and 159 in organic, that's a clear gap. So Amazon is already pushing your product heavily in ads, but organically it is still far behind. Now with strike zone opportunity, we could rank this one down to the rank 50, 20s, or even on the rank 10, right? So we could push this one closer to page one organically. Now, what also caught my attention here is this keyword snacks. This is being searched 595,000 times per month, and you do rank zero both in organic and sponsored. So, with just this broad keyword, although your product is relatively a snack, then we could really index a rank into this keyword. Now, let's see what you're missing with the revenues here or how big the market really is. So I looked this one up on Amazon with the help of our tool X-Ray to see how big the market really is. Now you can see here with a single keyword sellers or the listings are generating strong monthly revenue. And with a single keyword, there's a total revenue of $41.9 million, right? And an average revenue of $616,000. So imagine being part of this or being indexed to page one with this rank, right? Now, I also pulled up a competitor of yours here, not to compare the products, but to talk about this keyword here, word frequency. So with word frequency, these are the top keywords that are being used, and we can go ahead and send this one to you for free once we jump on a quick call. Now, let's talk about your listing as well. You do have an 8.7 score here. Probably one of the reasons is you only have 146 characters on this title of yours instead of 150. I do not see as well an A plus content, although you do have this photo, but A plus content will look better if it does look like this. So this is our listing. We can definitely help you create one like this with characters, videos, more information about the product, right? And even a brand story. So brand stories helps with conversion because it allows your buyers to click through these pages, right? It also reads out questions like how do you guys start, what makes your product unique, right? Especially with a category of snacks. Now, for sure, there are a lot of buyers there who would prefer caramel flavor, so and popcorn as well. So that's really great. Now, what we would like to improve next as well is improve conversion to support your organic ranking, optimize the listing content and images, strengthen your keyword targeting, and reduce the reliance on paid ads. If not, at least we could target the right keywords with your paid ads, right? Your listing already has strong paid visibility, but it lacks the correct or it lacks targeting the right word. You do have product demand, but it lacks choosing the right keyword again. Now, strong organic ranking you do have that one. It lacks the strong organic ranking as well, and conversion strength and long term traffic stability. So we can definitely help you with that one. So here at My Amazon Guy, we manage over 400 brands and millions in monthly ad spend. We definitely help out clients, same with your scenario, right? And you can read their testimonies here. So we really like to focus as well in improving your listing. So if you found this video helpful, click the link below. Let's walk through these opportunities together. And me and my team is excited to talk to you soon. Again, book a meeting. There's no commitment. We're just ready to talk about the opportunities here.